We're gonna dump it out for you guys.
Oh my goodness. Fuck.
Is it recording?
Yes, it's recording.
Okay.
All right.
Welcome back to another edition of your favorite half-bearded channel.
Yes, it is. We're gonna put a tree stand together today, guys. His first ladder stand, actually, is a Hawk Sidewinder. So if you've ever wondered about a Hawk Sidewinder and how crazy it looks, be prepared to see it. Are you good?
Okay. So this is it. I got it. It's brand new to me, never used. My buddy that I work with bought it and decided he wasn't going to use it, so I got it for like a quarter of the price. So $400 is what he paid for it new. I paid like $150. I mean, I've never done this before, but I'm excited because I want to get a stand out on the game land, and I think, you know, it might be a winner. And you'll see from the last video, watch our last video, the area we scouted out, and I think it's gonna be a meal ticket. We'll see.
Okay. All right, we're gonna dump it out for you guys.
Oh my goodness. Gotta go back to the Keep going.
I'll help.
Okay.
All right, guys, so this is it all splayed out. This is the couple platforms, the gigantic ladder, and then all of the arms and seat parts are down there, as well as the harness. I believe that box has the ratchet straps as well. So stay tuned. We're gonna get it set up in about less than 10 minutes, hopefully. All right, so we got the base of the ladder. It's upside down right now.
Literally took us 5 minutes.
We got the base of the ladder connected to the platform in the back. And he is working on the seats right meow. Getting them put together. This is what it will look like whenever they're all put together. And then I am putting the backs together as we speak. We're almost there. What happened to this chair, buddy?
Okay, so it was a late night, and to be honest, both of us were working on this.
Oh.
So what happened was one of us put on the seat backwards. This was after we just beat these bolts in because we couldn't get them in.
You think that might be why it didn't fit?
Well, you know, there's multiple things that could happen when you're putting stuff together, which is okay. You live and learn. Alright guys, Eric's doing some sick B-roll, but we got everything built up the most we can before we take it out. Ran a little bit out of daylight. I mean, it's nice out now, but by the time we get into the spot, we're not gonna have time to really get it set up. So we're gonna go out on Saturday. It's gonna be a combined tree stand video and squirrel hunting video.
Yeah, I mean, it'd probably be 2 separate videos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
do both.
so stay tuned for Saturday. We're gonna get this bad boy set up. I'm gonna shoot some squirrels out of it, and we'll see you then.
Whoa! Just off-roading.
All right, guys, you stuck around this long. Get ready to see us
3.
put up the tree stand.
Finally.
Yeah, it's been about a week, so stick with us. We're gonna put it in a tree. Tom gets to carry the large portion of the stand, so he gets to understand just how annoying it gets. But
Carrying this, right?
oh yeah, go ahead, pick that up. You could have, yeah. What do you?
I got this. I'm gonna carry the boat.
Oh my God. Yep. All the way up and in that curl piece.
Yeah, but I can't. My shoulders aren't broad. I have to put this on my neck like a deadlift or squat.
Good? Oh, no, that hurt. Well, I did my part. Let's see how Tom's doing. How you doing down there?
I'm getting there. Eric, I hate you. Okay.
A little heavy.
Because you told me to. I don't think we're making it.
I don't know what to tell you.
I don't know either. I don't think this is gonna make it. Put it down. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Here you go. This is gas.
We got it up. We didn't use one of the rungs because it was too tall and too top heavy for us to walk it in or carry it in, but here it is. We only used 3 of the rungs, but it's up there. Tom's up there getting it finished. He's checking it out. Looks pretty good. But, you know, like I said, that it was definitely too tall and top heavy for the size that it is. But stay tuned. I'm going to get up in it with him, and we'll finish this out. You get up there?
I don't like this.
Sit down in the seat, buddy.
No, I don't want to.
This is gas. I don't like this.
I hate this. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, it's so high up.
Imagine if you were at 19 feet.
Oh my goodness. So my shot lane,
Pretty good.
good to, I would say almost 20 feet wide, and right to the middle of that field is 20, 35 to 40 to the edge of that. This is going to be great.
Yeah, and then once these leaves come off, you can shoot a lot more.
Right, so I almost got right to where Eric's shoulder is, and he's got all the way to where my shoulder is. And once this clears out and is dead, if this stands still here by rifle season, then this is going to be great.
All right, you ready? I'm going to get down.
Okay, you go first. I don't like this. I'm going to bring like 14 more ratchet straps. I could definitely fight a bear.
We're to that point of the night, huh?
Oh, deer. Right there. See him walking? It looked like it had antlers.
It does. That is a large buck.
Oh my gosh.
That is a very big deer.
I wish I had my mag light.
That might be a wall hanger. Now you got your stand in the wrong spot. He's been down here all night.
I told you, he's munching on all this winter wheat.
That's a big buck. That is a very big buck. Dude, that's a giant.
Dude,
That thing's huge.
dude, I could see him.
Dude, that thing's wanders. Dude, there's points everywhere.
Yeah. There's another deer right there.
Yeah.
Little doe.
Just quit acting
Like tourists.
Let's see how close we can get. Don't go fast. That thing's fucking... Dude, that thing's giant. Oh my god. Oh my god, that thing's huge.
What?
Oh my god.
What?
Dude, that thing's monster. Oh my god. Alright guys. Took a little longer than we anticipated. We didn't film a ton because we were trying to get it done because it got late on us quick. But it's in, it's hung up. It's really nice to sit in. I would sit in it every single day if I could. The two-seater is actually a lot better than what I anticipated. I thought that, because I've sat in a couple of those regular two-mans that are side by side, and they're kind of roomy but kind of crappy. But that one got a lot of room, and it hugs the tree a lot better than I thought it would. So yeah, I would recommend it as long as you're strong enough to lift 19 feet in the air. But we hung it up, we set it up without the bottom rung, so it was pretty tough to stand up and walk up. And we were going to try and shimmy it up the tree, but we couldn't do that either because it's just
Honestly,
too top heavy.
It was, I think it's going to be better being closer to the ground anyway. That would have been way too, like for rifle, sure, you got a nice open clear cut field and you want to be super tall and get a good like bird's eye view, but in there, that's about the perfect height without one of those rungs on there.
And walking out, we saw we saw him blurred a little bit, and we knew he was big.
What?
But he hopped off, and we caught the rack along the wood line.
Goodness.
Oh my god, it was giant. But thanks for sticking along, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. We'll probably go squirrel hunting a little bit, but
Were you done?
we weren't done yet.
Oh, okay.
But, all right. We'll see you next time.
All right.